Mass student march rallied today from Manipur University campus demanding a resolution to the ongoing crisis in Manipur to ensure an uninterrupted education. As the rally approached Kakua police station, police fired tear gas to disperse the crowd, while some protesters retaliated by using catapults and hurled pebbles. Several students sustained injuries during the tussle. During the rally organized by Kokomi Student Front, the students burnt effigies of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh. Speaking on the sideline of the protest, Kokomi Student Front Coordinator Ningthaucham Dhanakumar Maitai condemned the use of drones and rocket attacks in the region. He maintained that the high-tech weapons being used by Kuki militants, which are typically employed in warfare between nations, cannot be taken lightly. He accused the central government of remaining silent, implying an intention to wipe out the Meitei community. Dhanakumar called for the support of all students in opposing the violence and urged unity within the community. He also demanded the withdrawal of central forces from Manipur. Expressing a disappointment with a statement by former Lieutenant General Pradeep Chandran Nair of the Assam Rifles, who denied that Kuki militants were using drones and rocket bombs during a discussion of national media. He pointed out that national media had already exposed the militants' actions. He reiterated claims that Assam Rifles were supporting the Kuki militants and warned that if the situation persists, students may be forced to take up arms. He also urged both the state and central governments to find a resolution to the ongoing crisis.
Ihau tawba matamda haiba tare akhoi yamna niyom amagi makhada pandam amagi makhada ihau tawminasi akhoi pandam leitaba mawngda ihau tawbugi madugi thaba si toksi aduga akhoi masen amaga hunaba amada insinnaba aduga amabu singthanaba honabagi thaba si toksi akhoi amata oina pandam asi phangnabagi damukta akhoi khongjang si changthanminasi akhoi mairo singna pamli basi kaina matamda akhoi lamdam asi leiriba masing yamlaba central gi security forcing se makhoi gi mafamda loina halanbi kroi baduni maramdi kenu haikanda makhoina akhoi gi lanthum akhoi bu ngakpi gadra haraga adugi ona taina bada Kuki militants singna yamna sophisticated oibo weapon season rakanda akhoi attack tawlaba fawda makhoi ngasi fawda karimata tawdana tumina leiba se akhoi thamoi da singna fawi Assam Rifles hairiba security force central security force masina akhoi maitai da chathariba Kuki lana sida yamna phongna support tawre haibase akhoi mayek singna khangi maram aduna lamdam masida leiriba Assam Rifle khudingmak lamdam masida gi halan khiba haibase akhoi pandamni
Mangeva